Axel's kitchen again, and we're gonna do something
Always in the kitchen.
really different, because when we've done kitchen recipe videos, it's usually a recipe that we're familiar with, that we've done in the past, tried and true, as they say, or maybe we put a little spin on it. This is an unknown, so we're gonna try this ramen lasagna hack that was a viral TikTok video and Instagram and all those cooking people that make the weird kind of cooking videos, hack cooking videos. So we sent one of those videos, or two of those videos, to our son, who tried it last night with decent results, not perfect results. So we're gonna try it ourselves, and we're gonna take you along for the ride. So I got the baby mama here next to me, and she's gonna start making it. But pretty much we got some ramen. We're just using the noodles. We're not using the flavor packets. Michelle made some sauce over the weekend, so we have some homemade Italian sauce. We have some mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
How do you say it?
Mozzarella.
Okay. And then we have some ricotta cheese.
Ricotta.
Okay. See what I mean? All right, and we got a Pyrex. What size Pyrex is this?
It's not a 13. I think it's smaller than a 13 by 9.
It's this size. All right, so I'm gonna get the camera. Michelle's gonna start the cooking. All we did so far was she sprayed a little schmutz in the Pyrex. What schmutz did you do here?
Crisco spray.
Crisco spray. Little Crisco spray to hopefully prevent the sticking, because if you've watched other ramen lasagna hack videos, there's a little sticking thing going on. But we think we're going to master that by putting some sauce first. We'll put a layer of sauce.
We're going to try.
We're going to try. Let me get the camera. All right, so we got our ramen packets. And now what are we doing with these ramen packets?
Opening them.
No, but we're going to split them in half. Is that... We're going to fillet them, right? We're going to fillet them.
Well, they're already filleted.
They're partially filleted.
Right.
You got to break them up. We're going to keep them together, though, and we're just going to fillet. Maybe stick a spatula in there? No? Yeah, like that. Good enough. All right, so each ramen packet is going to give us two layers here, like that.
Don't break them, and you don't need the chicken stuff.
The flavor packets. The giant salt infused flavor packets. You don't need them, is that what you're saying?
Correct.
All right, so now we're going to take some sauce. Don't be shy with the sauce, because the sauce is going to be the juice that makes the ramen soft, right? So You can't be shy with the sauce. Maybe put a little more in there. That's the liquid. The sauce is the liquid. All right, so now we're going to put a layer of ramen.
So the other guy broke them?
Yeah. Well, just, like you don't want to do a whole half, whatever you want to get it in there so we got good coverage.
I kind of made too much. Oh, no, we have to layer. Never mind.
There you go. Perfect.
Perfect. Then he said ricotta first?
Yep.
Guess I'm just going to smush it down like that?
Yeah. Just a dollop on each. Flatten it out a little bit. Well, his ricotta was really runny and watery because he used some kind of weird brand.
I think he used Walmart brand. One guy. Which is fine. Cheese is cheese. And part skim or whole makes a big difference too.
What are we using? Whole. This is what we use when we make real lasagna.
Right, and certain brands are runnier than others. I've noticed. Okay.
Okay, we're good there. Now a little cheese.
Oh, that's right. What am I doing? This, I thought sauce then cheese.
No, cheese. Not too much cheese. You just did a little layer like that. Yeah, now some sauce. A couple dollops because you can't spread it out. There you go. Okay. Now another layer.
Another
Yep.
layer.
You could slide that right in.
Yeah.
Slide it right in there. Move this over a little like that. Fit it in there.
Yeah, put that one right at the end.
Dump all
This
the
one
crumbs.
might be a little.
That's
Yeah,
all right.
no,
Yeah,
I
dump
don't-
the crumbs in. That's
Okay.
what they did. That's what they did in the recipe. They dumped all the crumbs in. Why waste the ramen crumbs?
My counters were cleaned first for all you viewers out there.
Oh yeah, because people are gonna bitch about that. They bitch about everything. There was a tube of toothpaste on your counter, and you were cooking. That's disgusting. Like, come on.
When you go shopping, you throw stuff on the counters that you have to bring upstairs.
So now we're gonna go with a little more ricotta cheese.
That's right. Yeah, because that's all that's left is a little. I used it the other day. So I'm using all the stuff I've had left.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Burn them low.
I'm not opening one.
No, you might have to take some from the thick side. Use your fingers, they're clean.
I don't feel like getting
It's
all this
food
stuff.
for us.
I'm not
We're
saying
eating
that.
it.
I just don't like the feel of it all under my nails.
Where did you get those nails from, anyway?
Red Aspen.
Red Aspen. Link in the description below on the nails. Anybody that needs some nails, we'll link that down below as well. Because our oldest daughter, Amanda, is the one that's selling them.
But these are the new acrylics.
Let's see. Let's see what they look like, lady. Now they got food all shoved in them. There you go. All right. So
Beautiful.
now we got to do.
What's it up?
Yep. And then a little sauce right on top.
I like.
So I think the last guy put some mozzarella on it, and then he put some sauce, and then he put a little bit more mozzarella on top.
That's what you usually do when you're making.
No reason to be snippy.
I'm not being snippy. I'm just saying that's what I usually do when I'm making lasagna or baked ziti. I think.
Good. The only thing it's missing is some meat.
Well, that we could try. If it comes out good, we try that for next time.
I like meat inside my lasagna. Well, we'll call this the vegetarian lasagna.
A little more mozzarella on top, and we're
A
good.
little bit, a little sprinkle. We got the oven preheating. What temperature is the oven on?
Put it on 375.
All right. So what are we thinking? About a half hour?
Yeah, so they say. And they said halfway through, cover it for it to soften. So I'll set the timer for 15 minutes, and then I'll check it. Then I'll cover it.
Then we'll so 15 minutes at 375. We'll give it a check and then maybe put a little piece of furl on it. Good.
All right. We'll let
All
you
right.
know how it turns out in a few minutes.
Going in the oven, 375 for 15 minutes, and we'll check back. It's actually looking like lasagna, right?
Yeah. So I'm going to cover it.
What are you covering it with?
Foil.
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 Oil. Just lightly. Hot. Let's see.
So a little gentle cover with the foil.
Shut
Holy cow, lady, what are you doing?
I shut the oven door.
All right, we'll go about another 15 minutes.
Yeah. And we'll see what happens.
All right, so we're at 15 minutes later. That's a total of 30-minute cook time. 15 minutes uncovered, and then 15 minutes covered. And we got some sticky going on.
Yep.
Stuck, let me get over there. Yeah, it's the only thing, right, when you cover with foil and it's got cheese on top. But it looks like lasagna. You digging in for some? Is it soft? Noodles are soft?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hot.
Burn yourself.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
It's good.
It's good. Why are you laughing?
Because, you know, you never know what you're going to get when you're making things from, like, these videos people post. Yeah.
Yeah?
I guess because ramen is...
It's a noodle.
It's a noodle. It's not pasta.
It's not real pasta, but it's
For a
something
quick-
like pasta.
Yeah, I wanted to try it. I also made chicken cutlets. In case this was a
bust.
A bust.
Yeah.
That's what I meant to say. A bust. In case it was a bust, I made chicken cutlets.
So we could have a little ramen lasagna and then some chicken cutlet on the side. I think if we have leftover meatballs, you slice up the meatballs and put a layer of meatballs in there. Mm-hmm. All right. So what do you think? Success?
I say so.
In a pinch?
Yep.
All right.
It's easy. And that's it for today from Axel's Garage, inside Axel's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.